the ultimate guide to growing cherry tomatoes in pots. Want to enjoy juicy, homegrown cherry tomatoes even with limited space? Container gardening is your answer. This guide will walk you through every step, from choosing the right pot to harvesting your delicious bounty. Cherry tomatoes are perfect for container gardening. They're compact, prolific, and thrive in pots. Growing in pots allows you to control the soil, sunlight, and watering, leading to healthier plants and bigger yields. Plus, you can easily move them to the best spot in your garden or balcony. The right pot is crucial. Select a container that's at least 12 inches in diameter and depth. This gives the roots enough room to grow. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Cherry tomatoes hate soggy feet. Use a high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. Potting mix is lighter and provides better drainage and aeration. Many cherry tomato varieties thrive in pots. Consider bush or dwarf varieties for smaller spaces. Tiny Tim, patio, and balcony are excellent choices. They are bred specifically for container gardening. Sun Gold and Sweet Million are also popular and produce incredibly flavorful tomatoes. Start with healthy seedlings from a local nursery or garden center. Choose plants that are sturdy and green. Gently remove the seedling from its container and loosen the roots. Plant it deep, burying the stem up to the first set of leaves. This encourages more root growth along the buried stem, resulting in a stronger plant. Water thoroughly after planting. Cherry tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Place your pot in a sunny location. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot weather. Check the soil moisture daily and water when the top inch feels dry. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. As your cherry tomato plant grows, it will need support. Use a tomato cage or stakes to keep it upright. This prevents the plant from sprawling and keeps the tomatoes off the ground, reducing the risk of rot. Secure the plant to the support with soft ties. Helps improve air circulation and encourages fruit production. Remove suckers that grow between the main stem and branches. Inch off yellowing or diseased leaves to prevent the spread of problems. Regularly check for pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids, whiteflies, and tomato hornworms. Inspect your plants regularly. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control pests. For diseases like early blight, use a copper fungicide. Good air circulation and proper watering can prevent many problems. Remove any affected leaves immediately. Cherry tomatoes are ready to harvest when they are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist them off the vine. Harvest regularly to encourage more fruit production. Enjoy your homegrown cherry tomatoes in salads, snacks, or sauces. If your plant isn't producing fruit, it may need more sunlight or fertilizer. Blossom end rot is caused by calcium deficiency. Add calcium to the soil or use a calcium-rich fertilizer. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering schedule and fertilize accordingly. With a little care, you'll be enjoying a bountiful harvest. Growing cherry tomatoes in pots is a rewarding experience. With the right pot, soil, sunlight, and care, you can enjoy fresh, delicious tomatoes all season long. Ready to start your container garden? Grab your supplies, choose your favorite cherry tomato variety, and get planting. Don't forget to share your progress and harvest with us in the comments below. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening!